Jangan lupa like, subscribe, and share.
Asik.
Rombong.
Penonton yang baik hati, pada hari ini kita akan makan malam ini. Kita akan mencari makanan yang ada di Kecamatan Lau. Jadi pokoknya apa yang ada kita masak saja apa adanya, karena kebetulan Sri dari Kecamatan Lau datang. Sementara kita proses pembuatan sambal. Jadi jangan ragukan laki-laki yang ada di sini. Perempuan yang bodoh kalau tidak mau.
Hey, asik.
Yeah. Came in 17. Damn.
Gave you 10 a week ago. You told me that you got me when your check came home. I've been waiting patiently cause you my homie, bro. But times is getting hard, so I'ma need to see that cheddar though. You ain't been picking up, you finding escapes. I might have to white you out just like you Colgate. You been ducking at the crib thinking that you safe, but little do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway. I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down, I'ma turn your little smile into a big ol' frown. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now, and you holding to my money like you Oscar proud. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you. I'ma stick into your head just like I'm Cantu. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do. 17. Yeah. Yeah. Day 10. At this point I'ma have to just cave your face in. Damn, you think I forgot about all them payments? Boy, I'm on your ass with my mask on just like I'm Jason. I know that you bounded to get complacent. Pop out the smoker, ask Tay-Tay about how her day went. Just know I've been plotting and I've been waiting. Might hit you with the orange Bronco just like I'm Peyton. You need to get my money, come on. This ain't no sweet life, I'ma need to get my bread and no song. You want IG and your Da Vinci and your shirts BV long, but in real life you broke it in a Paul George fibula bone. I know you gon' pay me when the time's right, but the time is now, I'm finna knock out your lights. Got you thinking shoulda never tweaked on me twice, and had you curving up that hill just like a turnpike. Give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Damn, give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Man, give me my money and stop playing. Give me that money. Somebody that owe you some money. I know you got that money. Give me that. Give me my money. Give me that. Give me that money. Jamal, give me that money. Tony, give me that money. Yeah, man, give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Yeah. Give me my money. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Came in 17. Give me bread and the peso. Give me one. There's a wave on you. Any longer, I'ma have to call Fredo. Get the hammer, then spread you like Egos. Give me.
mengambang. Melambangkan mengambang.
Ini kan ini kelelawar, ini tanam di yang ada di Kecamatan Laut untuk kelurahan dengan jalur 2 desa.
Oh, ini semuanya ini ya.
Luar biasa. Terikat ini sifat-sifat tidak paling bersatu padu. Yang paling keluarnya
Apa unit usaha apa jenis kegiatannya karang-taruna laut yang bisa diekspos dan representatif yang menurut Anda kira-kira pantas untuk representatif diangkat dari daerah provinsi?
Kalau kami sebenarnya Kecamatan Laut, kami ada mangrove sebenarnya. Mangrove di tembakannya kami seandainya kita bisa bekerja sama dengan dari sektor pemerintah dengan kabupaten menjadikan wisata. Kenapa kami mau di mangrove? Karena kami berpikir kapan kita tidak berupaya untuk sambil ini mangrove akan habis terkikis oleh maka mangrove itu sebagai dinding pertama di pesisir benteng pertama itu di luar laut, laut. Kapan kami tidak habis ini, maka kita akan berdosa kepada anak cucu kita nanti ke depan.